please get inside. So, good morning everybody. So, this is the Sarasas weighted ratio-proof way of teaching. We're gonna use the Sarasas weighted ratio-proof way of teaching. Alright. Alright, everybody, arms upward, shake, arms sideward, shake, arms forward, shake. Please put your hands together. Janice, come here please. You are the leader for today.
Okay, good morning, classmates, grade 1 students. Please put your hands together and let's say good morning to Teacher Red. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, Teacher Red.
Energy.
Let's do it again. Put some energy, classmates. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, Teacher Red.
Good morning, thank you so much Janice. You may now take your seat. Alright, 1 clap, 2 claps, 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Everybody say, I fold my arms.
I fold my arms.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
I sit properly.
I sit properly.
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
I open my ears.
I open my ears.
10.
10.
Quiet and
Listen.
quiet and listen. Very good. Okay, now before we proceed to our lesson, let's have an energizer. Everybody stand up. Alright, let's dance. Alright, each other will sing. And you have to dance and sing also. Everybody. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and faster. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Very good. Clap your hands, everybody. Sit down. Alright. Now, class, today we're gonna discuss or we're gonna learn about the all and the A sound. But first, let's proceed to the A sound or the A long sound. Everybody, can you say A?
A.
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 Open your mouth. A.
A.
Say A.
A.
Very good. Alright. Now, let's learn the A sound. Everybody, say tray.
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 But before that, what is the sound of letter T? I cannot hear you. One more time. What is the sound of letter T? One more time. What is the sound of letter T? Now, everybody say A.
A.
Everybody say tray.
Tray.
One more time. Tray.
Tray.
Next, we have we. What is this? B. Alright, Michael, can you please stand up? Yes, you tell me, Michael. What is
Yes.
the sound of letter B? Oh, is that correct?
Oh, teacher, what is the sound of letter B? I don't know.
Can you help Michael Melton? What is the sound of letter B? Stand up, please. Thank you so much, Michael.
B.
B. Very good. Everybody, what is the sound of letter B?
B.
Very good. Everybody say bay.
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 Very good. Clap your hands. Thank you so much. Very good answer. Everybody say hey.
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 Hey. All right. Nicole, can you please stand up? What is the sound of letter H? Very good. Everybody, do like this. Say. One more time. Okay, now smell your hand. Say, hey!
Hey.
Hey!
Hey.
Very good. Clap your hands to Nicole. Wait. Do you know how to read this one? Okay, Michael, one more time. Okay, Michael, stand up, please. What is the sound of letter D?
As I remember, the sound of letter D is like. Is it a sound?
Is it correct?
That's what I remember.
Is it?
I think that's it. No? Oh my god.
Michael, can you say D,
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 D, D,
D,
D,
D,
D?
D.
Alright, thank you so much, clap your hands to Michael. Excellent, Michael. Everybody, what is the sound of letter D?
D, 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 D.
Everybody say day,
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 day.
day.
Right, very good. Next we have. What is the first letter? Resan? Can you please stand up? Okay, Resan. What is the sound of letter? What letter is this? P. Okay, what is the sound of letter P? Ah, perfect. P, P, P. Alright, everybody, what is the sound of letter P? P, 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 P. Everybody say pay,
Hey.
pay.
Hey.
Pay your bills, okay? Okay, one more time. Everybody say A.
Hey.
A.
Hey.
A. Very good. Now, let's proceed to our next lesson, the all sound. Everybody, say all.
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 Okay, can you spell it?
A-L-L. All.
Now, let's make the sound. Letter Everybody, what is the sound of letter A? How about letter L? Yes. Stand up. Marilyn. What is the sound of letter L? Show your tongue. It's like you're licking a lollipop. Say. Okay, everybody say all. All. Now, everybody say this read. G. Everybody say G. All. Go. Go. Good. Wait, this one. What is this? Or what letter is this? M. Everybody say M. What is the sound of letter M? Everybody say Alright, everybody say mall. Mall. What is the first letter? F. Everybody say F. F. What is the sound of letter F? Very good. Now let's read. Again? Fall. And lastly, we have the letter W. Alright, can you please stand up? Mary Joy? What is the sound? What is the first letter? W. What is the sound of W? Wa. Very good. It's like wa. It's like you're surprising someone. Wa. Okay, everybody say wa. 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 Very good. Clap your hands, everybody. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say ha ha. Right, again. Let's review our lesson about the sound and
All.
one more time.
A. All. A. All. 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 A. All. A. All.
Very good. Clap your hands. Alright. Everybody stand up. Okay. Janice, come here, please. And say thank you.
Classmates, please put your hands together and let's say thank you to Teacher Red. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Teacher Red.